All right, royalty. So, what is it like being a model?
Fun. Very fun.
What's your biggest dream that you want to come true?
Having a bunch of animals.
What kind of animals?
Reptiles.
Ooh, okay. What do you love doing that makes you feel the happiest?
Running around.
What's one thing that you can't wait to do as a grown-up?
Be a doctor.
What kind of doctor?
I don't know.
If you had one wish, what would you wish for?
A million coins.
I know that's right.
Right.
You're close though.
Answer,
You're
yes.
close already though. You're close.
It's not enough.
Not enough. You want more.
Say it's not enough,
No
Mom.
problem. And this is the last one. If you could be a cartoon character for one whole day, who would you be and why? All three of them? Which one? Bubbles.
Bubbles.
That was my favorite too.
Mine too.
Mm.
Why would you be Bubbles?
Okay, good job.
I am Royalty Brown and I shop for Milano.
Hey.
Yeah.
Give him a peace sign.